We have a little visitor. Look,
Oh my god.
it's a little shrew.
Oh wait. Oh no.
Oh no.
He's coming to base camp 1. Actually, shrews are ferocious killers.
Oh,
Well, for little creatures.
keep it away from me. My dog got swallowed one of them.
If you watch a shrew eat a worm, they're
What about you?
pretty vicious little things. Oh, hello, little shrew.
Oh, hello, Mr. Little Shrew.
I'm gonna get the chicken and mushroom out. What? No,
It's
it
very
doesn't
cute.
taste like mushroom at all. And it's actually vegetarian, which is actually really good. Curry is it?
I'm zooming in, by the way. I'm not actually that close.
Oh, the little shrew. Mine's still boiling.
Once my neighbour's dog caught a shrew, and then it dropped it. My dog picked it up, I took it out of her mouth, and then I put it back down on the floor, and my dog swallowed it whole.
What?
And she swallowed it
That
whole.
was such a mouthful.
Yay! Oh, he's got up there, look.
Look at it, it's so cute.
Oh.